Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and super helpful WordPress tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the language in WordPress in just a few clicks. Whether you want your site in English, Spanish, French, or any other language, this method works perfectly. So let's jump right in. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click on Settings, then select General. Now, if you scroll a bit, you'll see an option called Site Language. This drop-down menu lists all the languages WordPress supports, and trust me, it's a long list. Simply click the drop-down, choose the language you want for your website, and then scroll down to the bottom and hit Save Changes. That's it. Your WordPress will instantly switch to the new language, not only for your website's front end, but also for your admin dashboard. So the entire interface, menus, and options will appear in the language you selected. If you ever want to switch back or try another language, just repeat the same steps. It's super quick and doesn't affect your content or settings at all. And there you go. Your WordPress site is now speaking your preferred language. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like and share it with someone who's building their own site. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.